Oh, oops, sorry. Wait, Abby, hold on.
Yeah,
You
there
can
you go.
see it. It's like it's sleeping. Look at how deep its throat is. Look, when it opens up.
Ew.
Yeah, that's gross. Like it can just swallow stuff.
Look it!
Look at that one. It's like a snake.
Look at that one and
That's
that
what they look like, but they're tucked inside.
No, that one, Mom.
That one has a.
And there's like a shrimp climbing on it too.
Wait.
Look at that big shrimp.
Oh, look at there's another one behind it.
Mom.
Can I take a picture?
Look at this shrimp.
Look at.
Oh, there's a lot of them in the holes.
Can I take a picture?
Hold on, sweetie.
It's a good. That one's the dad and that one's the baby.
That's crazy. Come on, let's go find something else.
Look it.
They're split fish. Get out of here anyway. Flashlight fish. Shelly said to get that. Look at them.
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't record that.
Because it is.
Look at them. Oh,
Shit.
it like startles them, huh?
Yeah, they like run away. Okay. Come on, guys.
Sorry.